Very, very good morning to all power engineers and power workers. Please, now, please look at the lever of a AC switch handle for either opening or closing. Now, the holding place arrangement is damaged and may not be possible to the person operating this handle properly. Now, this operating lever is to be provided with earth. Now, here the person moves this handle in 90 degrees, and due to this 90-degree circular movement, the operative rod moves vertically like this. And please look at the rod. This rod is not having any guide provided. The guide is required to move the rod exact vertically so that the AB switch circular rod moves circularly so that the moving contacts of the AB switch fit in the female AB switch contact properly. All the three AB switch contacts are required to close simultaneously and to open simultaneously to avoid accidents on the lines when the ABC is opened. But in number of cases, it is found that sometimes one of the AB switch do not close and other two closes, and due to this and misunderstanding and the discharge rod not being used, there are number of fatal accidents to the workers. Hence, here a very care is to be taken to do all the minute adjustment regularly, because during various operations the moving arrangements and points and adjustments gets disturbed. At least once in 6 months or once in a year, all these adjustments are required to be adjusted so that the movement of this operating rod and closing mechanism is very smooth. Similarly, the place for standing to the lineman should be very clean and convenient so that he can apply his strength properly. But at number of points, it is seen the places are not proper and inconvenient, and the strength of a lineman is not utilized properly. I think this is very clear now, and at number of places the guide provided to this operating rod is also damaged. Here no guide is provided. I think this aspect shall be given attention. Similarly, this height of AB switch lever is required as per requirement. But actually, this is This height is not maintained properly at number of places. The fitting of AB switch is a very skilled job. Its adjustment is also a very skilled. Hence, I request all the power engineers, workers, and the working agencies that the fitting of AB switch shall be done very correctly and all the adjustments are done very minutely so that there is no casualty on the line during maintenance. Now, I will introduce myself as Ramdas Khanjagade, retired Chief Engineer, MSEB, and member National Safety Council. Also, I appeal to all of you to subscribe to this my YouTube channel and share this video to all so that a message is conveyed to all concerned for proper fitting of this AB switch, the earthing of this operating lever of AB switch and providing guide to this handle and the operating rod of this AB switch and all the minute fittings in this AB switch, that is a square rod and the individual adjustment in the AB switch element. Thank you. Namaskar.